Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have the stable VS Code build and an active internet connection. Once done, open the extensions view with Ctrl plus Shift plus X and search for Material Theme. Click Install on the variant you prefer, then reload window when prompted to apply core changes. Make sure to keep the Extension tab open so you can access its settings immediately. This gets the theme files in place and ensures the rest of the customization steps run without permissions errors or missing assets. Next, you'll refine how the theme looks and behaves. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus P and choose Color Theme to pick a material variant. Toggle the material icon theme for matching file icons. Then open the extension settings from the gear icon to set contrast, accent color, and font ligatures if desired. Adjust workbench and editor settings like cursor style, minimap, and bracket pair colors to improve readability. Make incremental changes and preview immediately so you can revert anything that reduces contrast or breaks syntax visibility. To finish, enable settings sync so your material theme choices follow you to other machines, and confirm key bindings work with the new look. If colors or icons look wrong, make sure to disable any other theme or icon extensions that might conflict. Restart VS Code after disabling them. If problems still occur, clear the extension cache or reinstall the material theme and reload the window. One key tip: disable all other themes/icon extensions first to quickly identify conflicts before deeper troubleshooting or file-level resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.